Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Using the ideal gas law to find the molar mass for an unknown gas sample. Correct answer is to find the molar mass of an unknown gas sample using the ideal gas law, one can rearrange the formula PV equal nRT to solve for the molar mass m. The formula used is m equal mRT by PV, where m is the mass of the gas in grams, R is the gas constant 0.08206 atm by mole K, T is the temperature in Kelvin, P is the pressure in atmospheres, and V is the volume in liters. By plugging in the given values and solving for m, the molar mass of the unknown gas sample can be determined.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.